We are pleased to show you the 2018 Grand Cherokee. This vehicle is powered by a 2-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, 4-wheel disc brakes, front license plate bracket, speed control, rear window defroster. Inside you'll find low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, power steering, overhead console, panic alarm, cloth bucket seats, passenger vanity mirror, driver vanity mirror, leather shift knob. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.